Most people want to speak English fluently, but they don't have a plan. If you follow this simple daily routine, you can improve your English in just minutes a day. Without grammar, books, without stress, and without wasting time. Fluency starts with listening and reading. For just 5 minutes, do one simple thing. Choose only one daily. Watch a short video, listen to English story, read English sentences, watch English shorts, listen to English podcast. Important, don't translate every word. Just understand the meaning. Let your brain learn naturally. You don't need people to practice. You only need your voice. Speak yourself. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. I am studying right now. I am studying right now. I am tired, but still I will practice. I am tired, but still I will practice. Today I learned something new. Today I learned something new. Only 2 minutes speaking daily is equals to massive improvement. Speak confidently. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes is equals to learning. Writing strengthens memory and fluency. Every day, write only 5 sentences. What I did today. What I learned today. What I want to do. How I feel. One English sentence I want to remember. Simple, easy, powerful. Don't try to learn everything. Learn only one thing each day. Example, one new word, one new phrase, one grammar rule, one daily sentence. Slow learning is equals to strong learning. If you miss a day, don't quit. Restart. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. If you follow this routine daily, you will speak better, you will think better, you will feel confident, and you will see improvement in 30 days. If you want, I can make a full 30-day English routine plan for you. Just type in comments, I will practice daily. And don't forget to like and subscribe to ASD4 English.